Some zone expanders require mounting and come in a high-impact plastic housing. You can mount this to a wall, backboard, or other flat surface. Mount any zone expander to the keypad bus of an XT series panel. When mounting to a keypad bus, be aware of how many devices you have connected to the keypad bus. For the XT series panels, there are 8 devices maximum. These devices can either be one physical item, such as a keypad, or 4 zones, like this 4-zone expander. If you connect an 8-zone expander, since there are 8 zones, this one item will take up 2 device spots. This XT50 has one keypad connected, which is one device, and adding a 4-zone expander will be one device as well. Terminal 7 supplies positive 12 volts of direct current regulated to power the connected devices. This also supplies power for any auxiliary device. The ground for this terminal can be found over here, Terminal 10. Terminal 8 receives data from devices. Terminal 9 sends data to devices. Apply the yellow wire to Terminal 8 and apply the green wire to Terminal 9. Once connected, set the address of the module. This module has rotary dials that you can change to identify the device address. Match the number on the dials to the device address. We'll set this device to address 2, 0 on the first dial and 2 on the second. Some zone expanders have a serial number and identify without having to physically set rotary dials. In this case, take note of the expander's serial number. Once you begin programming the device, enter in the device's serial number. That's how to install a zone expander to an XT series panel.